Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up VirtualBox on a Windows system. So the first thing we have to do is download VirtualBox. So we're going to type download VirtualBox, and here we're going to press on the first link, and since we're using a Windows system, we're going to pick Windows hosts, and that should start the download for VirtualBox. But since I've already have it installed, I'm going to leave it. And the next thing we need is Ubuntu. So we're going to search download Ubuntu, and we're going to click on download Ubuntu desktop. And here we're going to also download Ubuntu 22.04.2, and we're going to press on the download button, and it should start downloading. Again, I already have it downloaded, so I won't be downloading it. And once we've done that, we can go ahead and open VirtualBox, and in here you're going to be met with an empty VirtualBox, but I already have an Ubuntu machine. But in this video I'm going to be creating a new one. So what you need to do is go ahead and press on new, and you're going to give it a name. I'm just going to give it VirtualBox. I'm going to give it a name, and here you're going to pick ISO image, and you're going to pick the destination of the Ubuntu image you downloaded. So mine is in download, so I'm going to pick that. So once we've picked that, we're going to tick on skip unintended installation, and we're going to click on next. And here we can give our virtual machine certain amount of memory and processor. So all you have to do is stay within the green. So I'm just going to give it a base memory of 3000 and a processor CPU of 4. As long as you're in the green, your system might be different, but all you have to do is stay within the green region. Then you can press on next, and it's going to ask you how much space you're going to be giving it. You can just leave it at the default of 25 gigabytes and press next, and press on finish. And once you've done that, you should see a virtual machine called VirtualBox appear. And once you've got that, you're going to press on it, and you're going to press start. Here we're going to choose try or install Ubuntu, and we're going to press enter. Next, you're going to be met by this page, and here we're going to click on install Ubuntu, and we're going to click on continue. Here we don't need to change anything, so again we're going to press on continue. Here it says erase disk and install Ubuntu. You should not be worried about this. It's not going to delete anything you have. So it's only going to clear the space you provided it, the 25 gigabytes. So you just press on install now. We're going to click on continue again. Here you're going to give your virtual machine a name. So I'm just going to give it my name. And if you want, you can also give it a password. So I'm going to give it a password. If you want it to require a password every time you log in, you're going to check the require my password to log in, or else you can just check on login automatically. So you're going to press continue. So starting its installation, this might take a while, so wait till it finishes. Once the installation finishes, which takes a while, we're going to be met with this prompt, and we're going to press on restart now. As you can see, our virtual machine has been booted up. If you've clicked on require password on login, it's going to ask you for your password, but since we made it automatic, it puts us right in. And if you want, you can create accounts, or you can just press on skip and on next. And this is our virtual machine, but there's one more problem. If we were to make our virtual machine full screen, as you can see, the actual screen does not expand all the way. So in order For that, we need to run a couple of commands in order for that to work. So we're going to go to the top of our virtual machine and we're going to press on devices and we're going to press on insert guest additions CD image. And once we've done that, there should be a CD symbol that comes up on our menu. So we're going to press on that. And in here, we're going to open a terminal. We can do that by clicking right click and clicking on open in terminal. And in here, we're going to start writing our commands. The first command we're going to put in is sudo apt-get update. It's going to ask us for our password. We're going to put in the password we gave when we created our virtual machine. So we're going to put in that password. It doesn't display anything, but all you have to do is just type in your password and press enter. And once that's done, we're going to go ahead and put in the second command, which is sudo apt-get install build-essential space gcc space make space perl space dkms. These are the packages that we need, and I'll be putting all the commands in the description below, so you can just copy and paste them. And we're going to press on enter, and we're going to press Y to continue, and the installation shall begin. It's going to take a while again, so you're going to wait till it finishes. Once all the packages are installed, we're going to run a file that's in the guest edition. So first we're going to list out all the files, and we want to run VBoxLinuxAdditions.run. So we're going to do / followed by VBoxLinuxAdditions.run, and we're going to press on enter. It tells us that this program must be run with administrator privileges. That's because we need to add the sudo command. So we're going to do sudo followed by / VBoxLinuxAdditions.run, and we're going to press on enter again. It's going to ask us for our password. We're going to put in our password and press enter. Once that's done, we need to restart our virtual machine. So we're going to click on the X button and we're going to power off the machine, and we're going to start it up again. And once our virtual machine has been booted, we can go to the bottom right and we're going to right click on the display icon and we're going to go to virtual screen 1. And now all the options to resize our screen are unlocked. So we're going to pick 1920 by 1080. And as you can see, our virtual box is now full screen. So if you have any errors or any questions, you can put them in the comments below and I'll reply to them. This is all about setting up a virtual box on Windows. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily programming videos.